was that?
Oh, that's Bill. He turns into a werewolf. So I'm guessing the couch then?
From the producers of Top Chef, Top Gun, and America's Next Top Model comes America's Next Top Surgeon.
Okay, Hector, what are you going to do for us today?
An appendectomy?
Have you done one before?
No, I'm not even a doctor, but my friends think I'd make a good one.
Okay, let's see what you got.
Watch the audition.
You, my friend, are going to the hospital. Literally, because I think you just cut your foot off.
Witness the disappointment.
You call that stitching? Sure, you saved the arm, but you sewed it to his head.
And be there for the moment of truth.
America's Next Top Surgeon is a lousy idea for a show. These people should be arrested.
America's Next Top Surgeon.
You hit my car. It wasn't my fault. That kid ran me into you. Well, let's just see what the tiny police have to say about that. Oh, do you have to be so reckless? This is killing my insurance.
Summer vacation is over. Now what are we toys supposed to do?
Hey, Woody! You want to be a judge of my daughter's beauty pageant?
You have got to be kidding me.
Now, Savannah, honey, what are we going to do today? Win the pageant, be crowned Little Miss Fancy Lady, and see my enemies directly before me. That's right, and have fun, time permitting. Not only is she a 32-time pageant winner, but she's also an accomplished recording artist and an aspiring dancer.
Sorry, honey. I accidentally kicked her across the room.
The only one who even has a chance against my baby is that American Girl jerk.
Now, sweetie, you're gonna go out there and win the pageant. You know why?
Because my mommy is the prettiest lady in the whole wide world?
That's a good girl. It's all about her. And she better win this because I need this so bad. I said